it's freezing rain outside. My hair, ice. Like freaking ice. And my coat is ice. Literal ice. Oh my god. Well, I'm glad I didn't put on makeup today because I just had to go walk outside in a ice storm, basically. It was raining and then it was freezing rain. So the kids and I were getting pelted with ice in the face and it freaking hurt. Like it felt like I was getting like stabbed with needles. All the way home we were like, yeah, our coats just pure ice and my hair was frozen. It's thankfully like not frozen anymore, it's just wet, but it was frozen and I was so scared that it was gonna break off because it was really windy too, so my hair was like moving around and getting stuck in my coat. It was all like tangled and I thought it was gonna break off and I was gonna not have long hair anymore and I was gonna cry. But we're home and hopefully I didn't lose any hair. It is like kind of tangled. So if it did have pieces that were broken off, they're like tangled in with the pieces that aren't broken off. I'm a little worried. I'm gonna wait until it like dries a little bit before I try and brush it out because it's still like cold and wet. So yeah, hopefully it's good. But yeah, that was not fun at all. The stroller was just covered in ice, but thankfully I had that like cover over it, so Leo was perfectly dry, didn't get covered in ice, which is good. But yeah, that was not fun. Hopefully school's canceled tomorrow because I do not want to take them again. You are the cutest thing in the whole world. I cannot get over how cute you are. Yeah? I think that car's too big. Oh my gosh, this cat's driving me nuts. Can you say car? Good job. But yeah, his hair is so long that I had to like put it in a ponytail. And it's like the cutest thing ever. Obviously, he probably looks like a girl, but he's so cute. That's a horse. That's actually a unicorn. Ooh, that's a unicorn. Mm-hmm. Pink block? Is that a pink block? I want to do this thing where I tell Leo to go get something and then see if he goes and gets it. Leo, where's the ball? Where's the ball? Can you go get the ball? Where is it? Yeah, can you find a ball? You can just like hear the ice hitting the window. Anyway. Is there a ball under there? What? What's under there? Can you get the ball? Where's the ball? Okay, there is a ball under there. A yellow ball. And he's trying to get it, but he can't reach it. So, yeah. Oh no. Get the ball! Yay! Can you say yellow? Can you say yellow? Say ball. Say ball. Good job. Can you get your soother? Where's your soother? Ball. Ball. Where's your soother? Can you throw the ball? Can you throw it?
Papa?
Yeah, throw the ball.
Mama?
What? Can you throw the ball? Throw it. Throw it. Throw the ball. So this train set was actually mine when I was a kid. And now it's Leo's. He loves it, but he doesn't keep the train track. Like if I built him a track, he just kind of like rips it up. But he loves this tunnel and putting, oh, the ball doesn't go in the tunnel. Putting the trains through the tunnel. So these were all my trains, and then he got these two for Christmas.
Mama.
This guy's face.
Mine.
What? Did you just say mine? Leo, did you just say mine and then grab it? Where did you learn that? That is not nice. We share. But yeah, he just likes to push the trains through this thing. All the rest of the stuff he doesn't really care for yet. But that's okay. We're gonna add to his collection and hopefully buy more train track pieces because I don't have that many. Whoa. Train. I built a little track around him and he's trying to rip it apart. All he cares about is that tunnel. I got him a little bridge over here. He doesn't care. He just likes the tunnel. And he broke it. That's okay. There you go. Good job. You're sitting on it. Yeah. So how did you like walking home from school today?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Why?
Cold.
Yeah, why else?
Ice falling on my face.
Yeah. That wasn't fun, huh? No. Were you crying? Yeah. A little bit. And your pants, did they dry? You had ice all over your pants.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They fly.
That's good.
I hate walking in the sweats. It hurts. It's like someone keeps pinching you
Yeah.
in the face. Doing to me.
It was pinching you? Yeah.
Yeah. And it's like I am so freezing cold. My jacket is freezing ice.
Mhm.
It's frozen.
Yeah.
And but then the pockets weren't, so I put my hands in the pockets to keep my hands warm.
Yeah, where are your mitts and your hat? Because I tried to find it to bring it to you, and I couldn't find them.
They were my hat's in my hat pocket.
Well,
And my scarf and neck warmer.
well, why didn't you wear it then?
Neck warmer. And mitts were in my backpack.
Well, why didn't you wear them then?
I did at recess.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right.
This is so weird. Take a
What? It's just like a white block. What is it?
No. It's a cloud.
Oh. Cool.
Not moving.
There's a cow.
Wait, is it a falling? Hey, I think my game's messed up or something, or glitched, because I went on this, world, and then, my house wasn't on this world, and then I was like, oh my god, my house is gone. And then I go back on here, and my house is there. And now, there's a falling cloud.
I have
Do you know what's happening?
I don't. So weird. So you know how Aria lost a tooth? Her very first tooth. Let me see. She lost another tooth at school, right? Are you shy?
Yeah.
You're not shy. Yeah, so she, like 2 days, I think, after she lost the first tooth, she comes home from school and says that her other tooth fell out. And I'm like, are you kidding me? I don't even know why her teeth are falling out because she's only 5. And Caden lost his first tooth at 7. So.
No, I did.
Yes, he did.
It told me when it lost it when it won.
When he was 1?
Yeah.
That would be a problem. That's when he got his first tooth. Not when he lost it.
But that's what.
Well, Caden lies.
What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate